Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of London's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2019 Honda Civic Type R with a Starline Pro immobiliser. So if someone obviously cloned the key, tried to steal the vehicle, it will start up as normal, but as soon as they go to drive off, the vehicle will cut out. As you can see, the car's died. So when the customer wants to use this vehicle, what they've got to do is go through a push sequence, either using factory buttons on the vehicle or by presenting their phone, which is connected through Bluetooth with an adjustable range. So with the buttons, what you do, start the vehicle up, pop your disarm code in, you'll get a melody. We've left it nice and simple, 1, 2, 3. Hear our melody, and now we can drive the vehicle and it won't cut out on us. As you can see, the vehicle hasn't died, passed authorization, and they can drive it, it's protected. If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, it can be anything they choose on supported buttons between 3 and 21 presses. And the way they do that, without starting the vehicle, turn the ignition on, pop our disarm code in to authorize that it's us. Now we'll press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off, we'll turn it back on, and we'll get 5 bleeps. So now we'll just pop the new code in. Get a confirmation, repeat that again. There we go, we've got our second confirmation, turn the ignition off. That's our code changed. So after 5 seconds, what we'll do, we'll start the vehicle up, put the new push sequence in, and you'll hear we get the melody. So we start up, new code, melody, vehicle can be driven. Doesn't cut out. If the customer has to take this back to Honda, obviously to get serviced, he won't want to give them his phone or the code. You want to put it into service mode. And the way you do that is similar to changing the code. So ignition on without your foot on the brake. Disarm the system by putting in your code. Now we'll press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps to confirm it's in service mode. There we go, so now this is a normal vehicle. So what we'll do now, we'll start it up, no need for a code, no need for a phone, drives as normal. Honda can drive it around their workshop and service it as they wish. It's just a normal vehicle. When you get it back from them, you'll obviously want it protected again, and all you do is ignition on and put your disarm code in, and you'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, and it's protected again. To give this a test, give it 10 seconds, wait for the system to rearm, and then start it up without the code and try and move it. You'll see it immobilises. What we'll do now, we'll also do a video on how it works with the phone, but it's very straightforward. Phone in your pocket, the vehicle will start, you can drive it. So now when the customer gets in the vehicle, their phone can be locked and in their pocket. All they've got to do, hop in, start it up. They hear their melody because their phone's within range, and then they can drive the vehicle. There we go. Also, instead of using the buttons to put it into service mode, it can be done through the app. And the way that works, with the green circle, it means it's protected. But if you press and hold, it will spin round and go to yellow. When it does release, we'll get 2 bleeps, and this is a normal car. There we go. So no code, no phone. This will start. Honda can drive it around their workshop, do what they need to do. As long as it's yellow, it's in service mode. When you get it back, just press and hold on the key. It'll revert back to green, let go, you'll get 2 bleeps and it confirms it's protected again. To give that a test, turn your Bluetooth off, so as if your phone's out of range. Give it 10 seconds and then start the vehicle up. No melody, phone's out of range. Don't put the code in, go to drive off, and you see it dies. So once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro Immobiliser, and to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.